Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Marvel Rivals lag and FPS drops issues on PC. So, before you start, you need to make sure of two things. First, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable enough to play online games. Second, commonly, game developers will give the system requirements of the game once the game was released to play, both the minimum and recommended requirements. The former refers to the minimum hardware and software specs that you need to make the game playable on your computer. The latter allows you to play the game on relatively high settings and maintain good gaming experiences. To run the game with high FPS and achieve better performance, you should try to satisfy the recommended requirements of your installed games. Now, we will start with the first method, downgrade to AMD driver version 24.8.1. If you are not using AMD graphics cards, please skip this method. Some players have managed to resolve the lag and FPS drop issues simply by downgrading to AMD driver version 24.8.1. Here are the steps to do this. Visit the AMD drivers and support page. Select your GPU model. Scroll down to older driver versions and download version 24.8.1. Uninstall the current driver using the AMD Cleanup utility or a tool like DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. At last, install the downloaded driver and restart your system. Method 2. Deactivate Smart Access Memory. Similar to Method 1, this method is also only for AMD users. SAM, or resizable bar, allows the CPU to access the entire GPU memory at once, but it can sometimes cause performance issues. If you have no idea how to do it, follow the below steps. Open the AMD Adrenalin software. Go to the Performance tab. Select Tuning. Select Advanced Settings. Disable Smart Access Memory. Additionally, you can disable SAM in your BIOS. Look for resizable bar and switch it off. Method 3. Verify integrity of game files. Go to Steam Library. Right-click on Marvel Rivals, then pick Properties. Go to Local Files, then select Verify integrity of game files. Wait for some time until the process is completed and then relaunch the game. Method 4. Turn off fullscreen optimizations. Navigate to the installation path of your game, right-click the executable file, and choose Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab and check the Disable Fullscreen Optimizations option. Click Apply and OK to save the changed settings. Relaunching the game and check if low FPS disappears in games. Method 5. Disable Intel Turbo Boost technology. Press Windows key S, then Input Control Panel, and click the search result to open it. Navigate to Hardware and Sound. Select Power Options and click Change Plan Settings next to your selected power plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings to open the Power Options dialog. Expand Processor Power Management. Select Maximum Processor State and set the values of both on battery and plugged in as 99% to disable Turbo Boost technology. Method 6. Set Height Performance Graphics for Marvel Rivals. Right-click on the desktop background, then pick Display Settings. Click on Graphics. Now, scroll down and find Marvel Rivals application. If you don't see Marvel Rivals application, then click on Add Desktop App. After that, navigate to the installation path of your game. Here, open Marvel Game folder. Open Marvel folder. Open Binaries folder. Open Win64 folder. Here, Select Marvel Win 64 Shipping, then click on Add. Click on Marvel Win 64 Shipping, then click on Options. Choose Height Performance, then click on Save. Method 7. Try updating your graphics drivers. Older graphics drivers can cause several issues in the game, including lag and FPS drops, so ensure to update them to the latest version. Do visit the official website of the manufacturer of your graphics drivers and install the latest drivers. Method 8. Close background applications and programs. Other programs and applications running in the background unnecessarily can often consume system resources and cause lag and FPS drop issues. To close all of them, open up Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Del, then go to the Processes tab and close all tasks one by one by pressing End Task. After closing all of them, relaunch the game. Method 9. Optimize in-game settings. In modern online games, high or ultra settings can cause these issues, so try optimizing in-game settings to fix the lag and FPS drops issues. Here is what you need to do. Go to Settings. Over here, reduce Super Resolution Sharpening. I recommend you make it 50. Over here, disable Limit FPS. Over here, disable V-Sync. On Optimized Settings Graphics, please click Optimize. Next, lower Model Detail, Post-Processing, Shadow Detail, Texture Detail, Effect Detail, and Full Quality to Medium or Low until you feel okay. That's everything you can try fixing Marvel Rivals lag and FPS drops issues. If none of the above methods work to resolve the problems, wait for the updates from the developers, because some issues may only be resolved by game developers with patches. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.